Hello class 9th. Today we are going to start with new chapter, chapter 11, Modern Age in Europe, the Renaissance. Today's topic is Renaissance. We will discuss the following points. So the objectives of today's topic are meaning of Renaissance, causes of the Renaissance, new trade routes, invention of the printing press. Now we will discuss the following key terms. Number 1, Renaissance. It means rebirth. Number 2, mental horizon. To increase the range of one's knowledge. Number 3, navigators. It means a person who navigates a ship, aircraft, etc. The Renaissance. The Renaissance was a period in European history marking the transition from the Middle Ages to modernity and covering 15th and 16th centuries. It occurred after the crisis of the late Middle Ages and was associated with great social change. Now come to the reading part, page number 210. Definition meaning of the Renaissance. The word Renaissance means rebirth or the revival of the study of the Greek and the Roman classics. According to John Conrad, during the period called Renaissance, most of the Western Europe turned again to the culture of the ancient Greeks and Romans. It stood for an intellectual, literary, artistic, and scientific movement which widened the mental horizon of man. The Renaissance stood for creative and adventurous spirit which touched all fields of human thought and activity. In the words of H.A. Davis, the word Renaissance signifies the rebirth of freedom-loving, adventurous thought of man, which during the Middle Ages had been faltered, means hesitate, and imprisoned by religious authority. According to Pandit Nehru, the Renaissance means the revival of learning and development of art, science, literature, and European languages. Meaning of Renaissance. The term Renaissance means rebirth or the revival of the study of Roman classics and the Greek. It stands for a complex transitional movement in Europe between medieval and modern times, beginning in the 14th century in Italy and lasting into the 17th century. During this period, many remarkable changes took place in Europe, which had their impact on the history of the world. It widened the mental horizon of man by an intellectual, literary, artistic, and scientific movement. It marked the revival of the freedom to think and act without being controlled by any external agency. According to H.A. Davis, Renaissance is the rebirth of those who loves freedom, adventure, and who were imprisoned by the religious authority during Middle Ages. According to Pandit Nehru, Renaissance is rebirth of the learning and development of art, science, literature, and European languages, which widened the mental horizon of man. Causes of the Renaissance. New trade routes. The navigators of Portugal and Spain played an important part in the geographical explorations, study. When Constantinople fell into the hands of the Turks in 1453 CE and they shut down the trade routes between the west and the east. The European traders and navigators felt the need of the discovering new sea routes. Prince Henry, the navigator of Portugal, discovered a sea route to Africa. Bartholomew Diaz was successful in reaching the Cape of Good Hope at the southernmost point of Africa. Vasco da Gama discovered India. Columbus discovered America in 1492 CE. These geographical explorations and discoveries brought the people of Western Europe into direct contact with the people of Asia and thus greatly broadened their outlook and forced them to give up their blind faith. New trade routes. The navigators of Portugal and Spain played an important part in the geographical explorations and discovering new trade routes. Constantinople fell into the hands of the Turks in 1453 CE, and the trade routes between the west and the east were closed. As a result, the European traders and navigators felt the need for discovering new sea routes. Prince Henry, the navigator of Portugal, discovered a sea route to Africa. Bartholomew Diaz was successful in reaching the Cape of Good Hope at the southernmost point of Africa. Columbus discovered America in 1492. In 1498, Vasco da Gama sailed as far as India. Ferdinand Magellan made a voyage around the world and reached a vast ocean which he called the Pacific Ocean. Due to these discoveries, contact between the East and the West began to develop, and there was a fusion of ideas. The opening of new trade routes not only encouraged trade but also created the spirit of adventure and broadened the mental horizon. Invention of the printing press. Before the invention of the printing press, it was very difficult to spread knowledge because books were written by hand and they were also very costly. Knowledge was the privilege of the wealthy people only. But the things began to change with the invention of the printing press. The first printing press was set up in Germany in 1465 CE by Gutenberg. Later on, Caxton introduced it in England in 1476 CE. Printing presses were also set up in Italy and Hungary. They helped in the publishing books in large numbers. Now books reached the common people and they went a long way in spreading knowledge. The people now began to understand religion in its real sense. Spread of education also gave a great impetus to the literary activity of the Renaissance and widened the mental horizon of the people. Invention of the printing press. The first printing press was set up in Germany in 1465 CE by Gutenberg in the middle of the 15th century. Later on, Caxton introduced it in England. The invention of printing press in the middle of the 15th century in Europe made it possible to produce books in large numbers. The Bible and many other religious and classical books were printed and made available all over Europe. The printing press spread knowledge far and wide. Scholars found it easier to read printed books than handwritten manuscripts. In the Middle Ages, books were few and they were beyond the reach of the ordinary people. The printing press enabled Europe to multiply books and put them within the reach of people. Printing and distribution of books influenced people's attitude to life and brought about a new awakening in Europe. So students, today we have discussed till here. Read the chapter thoroughly, learn the basic terms and follow the SNAP homework. Thank you.